Hello everyone and welcome back. News headlines in English for 11th of April to speak in the school morning assembly. And first of all, national news. Sector enhanced material cost by 9.5% under PM Poshan scheme. India's exports surged to record $820 billion in 2024 to 25 despite global changes. India-US Armed Forces concluded Harbour Phase of Exercise Tiger Triumph 2025. Global Technology Summit 2025 to begin in New Delhi with theme Sambhavna. Return of 2611 accused Tahavur Rana is major diplomatic win for Modi government, Union Home Minister. Draupadi Murmu conferred honorary doctorate by Slovakia's Constantine University. Now, international news. EU suspended retaliatory tariffs on US goods for 90 days await trade talk. We don't want conflict but won't stay silent, Beijing responded to US tariff hike. Yemen's vice president called for international support against Houthi threat. ADB downgrades Bangladesh financial year 25 growth forecast to 3.9%. And now, sports news. Indian women's hockey team set to tour Australia for 5-match series. Dhruv Kapila, Tanisha Crasto advanced to Asia Badminton Championship quarterfinals. Monte Carlo Masters Bopanna Shelton reached doubles quarterfinals. India won bronze in men's compound team event at Archery World Cup 2025 Stage 1. Indian shuttlers Sindhu, Rajwat and George advanced to pre-quarterfinals at Badminton Asia Championships. Now business-related news. TCS net profit dips 1.68% to 12,224 crore in March quarter. Rate cut, change in stance, a timely move, SBI chairman. SEBI formed expert committee to review conflict of interest disclosure for its board. RBI cuts key rate by 25 basis points, growth projection lowered to 6.5%. And that's all in news. Thank you.